बहुत खुश है, हम लोग सब बहुत खुश हैं। ओके थैंक यू विशाल जी।
सो हम उनको स्वागत करते हैं, कृपया आ जाए।
Maya je sempro ni sibino a live video no program no nanaiwe bokha kok sate sate ani live bo puilas kan Christian bahage sengra kha abon ani je bokha wo jata review khlainai te so wan chokmani sengkha bone bagai sini bishop ani puila 2000 sonang jata Jesus Christ Jesus accept khayo sini bishop Onis bini bisingtino ang Baptist Mongo or Believer Sas Eastern Church of Pennsylvania. So today I am so glad. So our metropolitan church also here. So I really so happy today. So I cannot able to suspect and this much beautiful days. So I can stand before our metropolitan. So I am so happy to see and today because I long time back, so when I was studying in Kerala, after Believer Church GTS, I studied in Kumulong. After that, I went Kerala also Thiruvananthapuram. After my BTS complete, so I just left and I joining the politics. So, but I politics joining also till today. I am remembering praying for our missionary. How can I help our church, our missionary, and every year, how can I help the missionary and church? So always I am thinking positive mind. Belaina ang haksang hak tiniwo, seng or niwo, omahai sal kahaman mane bagai sini siam sar bahayno, babai tina loge klai paiman ka, te oro sini ani kolit, oro tongbay aga seng pore mane zaman sini father pusparupine sonjit kuki father ang thangbay ka. Tay kabang no tongu boro ani by baksa sempal tongu ne bagai piaw mahai faide always help nangka ke sini siam saka je kuno jago help nangka ke seng noro by baksa basanai ang 100% noro by baksa tongai hambai kaitor hamre kaitor jotona hambai